How did it change your energy levels?
Magnificently.
And I feel like a new person
Yeah.
through eating raw and through the juice feast.
Having raw food is one of the best things you can do for your body.
I've been raw for around 5 months now. Look at my energy. My energy levels. My energy levels. This video is for you because raw food can really bring a significant change in your life, and you don't have to completely go raw for it as I did. You can just increase the amount of raw fruits and vegetables that you eat. Energy levels! My energy levels are very good. I wake up in the morning and I'm awake to live the day, and I'm being very honest here. I wake up and I just look at possibilities of life. I feel grateful. I have no stickiness in my eyes. My face is not inflamed. My body is just so relaxed, and I think I sort of tend to need less sleep as well because I have so much energy in my body. You kill it, burn it, you burn the food, you kill the food. What happens with cooked food is all the macronutrients and the micronutrients, so protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, all of these things, they get destroyed in the process. And maybe in some food like carrot you get beta carotene, which in more quantity when you cook it, but the thing is you're not getting the food in its natural state. For body it's a foreign material, and so it has to like struggle to digest it, and it's not alive. It's already dead. And that is the kind of energy that you get from that food as well. You see, I never did strength training in my life. You see. You want to show me your muscles?
Well, a little bit.
Very beautiful. Raw food power.
I eat only raw food at the moment, and I eat a lot of raw food. I drink a lot of juices, and I eat a lot of fruits, and also I love salad. I feel I recover so very fast. As soon as I finish with my strength training workout, I do the conditioning workout program, and in many aspects I already like at the level 9. At some aspects I'm level 10, so that's the top level of this program, and I have lots of strength, lots of stamina. I don't get really tired like much.
Just the energy levels that I had with raw food really helped me exercise more.
If you're doing any kind of exercise and you're working out, what one realizes is that on a juice feast or when you're eating raw food, you tend to recover so fast. Because at that time I was working out and I was doing something called convict conditioning. It's a workout routine without any equipment. And I remember even after doing like 80 push-ups, like just within 20 minutes I used to feel like, oh, I've not done anything and I can go for another round. Like that's the kind of recovery that one feels. And this is something that one really has to experience, because no matter how much somebody else really talks about it, as long as you have not experienced it yourself, like these are just words, but once you experience it you realize like, wow, this is one of the most amazing things a human body is capable of experiencing.
It's raining. Guys, if you haven't tried raw fruits and vegetables in your diet, please increase the amount and see its benefits, because it has really improved my life and my energy levels and how I feel about myself and the world. And I would really like you to try it too, just to feel the magic of raw food and this alive food in your life. If you like my videos, please do like and subscribe and share my videos. Bye bye.